Fitbit says that I walked 10,000 miles today? Wow! And it also says that it's 5 o'clock. Ooh, is it 5 o'clock? Oh my goodness, it's 5 o'clock, which means I need a cocktail after walking 10,000 miles. I think I deserve it. Hey everybody, how are you? Oh, guess what? It's 5 o'clock again. Time for a cocktail. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Oh, it's really good. We're going to need a bigger glass. As you can plainly see, I am wearing my Aqua Marine shirt, which means I'm going to make a drink called an Aqua Marine. Now, it's not one word. I've separated it to Aqua and Marine because why? There's already a drink called an Aqua Marine. And frankly, I'm borrowing this recipe from our friends. Our friends invented this and they called it a Blue Angel, but a Blue Angel has already been taken, and that's a different kind of drink with other kinds of things like brandy and other things. Anyway, this is not a Blue Angel. It is not an Aqua Marine. It is an Aqua Marine. Anyway, long story short, there is no short version. First of all, I have got a nice chilled martini glass here. And you know what's great about this? Put some ice in it and a little bit of water, and that will really chill it. Even more than just putting the ice in there, putting the water in there as well will really chill the glass. When I used to bartend years ago, I always did that. I put soda water in there with the ice and it really chills it. Anyway, all we're going to need for this, super easy, is of course Blue Curaçao, because this is another episode in my Blue Curaçao series. And then we need regular vodka, just any kind of vodka you like, and of course some freshly squeezed lime juice. Can you see it in there? Freshly squeezed is preferable, whatever you got is fine. That's all you really need. So, you've got your chilled glass here, and then what we're gonna do is take a jigger and we're going to do equal parts, 1.5 ounces each of vodka. Okay, boom. And Blue Curaçao, 1.5 ounces of that, and then 1.5 ounces of delicious freshly squeezed lime juice. This will add a tartness that will offset that sweetness of the Blue Curaçao, and it will be so good. And then you just shake it up like this. That's pretty good, right? Or stir it if you want to. Then you're gonna get rid of this ice water in your glass here to keep the glass nice and chilled. We got a frosty chilled glass. Pour this in here, boom. Look at the color on that. I mean, come on. Wait till you try it. It's got tartness, it's got sweetness. By the way, I have my Aqua Marine shirt on today because it's an Aqua Marine cocktail. And look at this, look at this. I'm totally color coordinated. Isn't that amazing? Anyway, garnish this with a slice of lime, boom, like that. There you go. That's your Aqua Marine / Blue Angel / whatever you want to call it. It's good. That's what I call it. And here we go. Ooh, yeah, the tartness. Okay, you get the tartness of the lime juice mixed with the beautiful orange peel flavor of the Blue Curaçao. And it really enhances it. And I'm telling you, it's a great pre-dinner drink, a great late afternoon drink. Gorgeous. And while you drink it, wear your Aqua Marine shirt, okay? Anyway, until next time at 5 o'clock, enjoy. Hey, listen, if you have any comments, if you can improve on this, if you have any cocktails you want me to send you a recipe for or do on the show, let me know. Keep me informed. Oh, this is to you. Hope all is well. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.